So here's how to delete all posts from Facebook page at once. So let's get started. First of all, what you can do, simply go to the business.facebook.com, this website. So you need to go to that website. Alright, then from here you need to select the page that you want. So here you can see there are lots of pages right over here. You need to select the desired page you want to delete the all post from. So select one of these, and then from the left side you will see the content option. You need to tap on the content. Alright, then from here you need to select this option, and from the drop down menu you need to select the lifetime option. Then from all the content from your page will be available since then. So you need to select post like one by one like that. You cannot bulk select all the post because there is no actual way to do that. Alright, you need to select one by one and then simply tap on these three dots on the right upper side. Just simply tap on that and you will see the delete post option. So tap on the delete post and there you go. So if you just want to delete it, you simply tap on the delete and all the contents right before it will be deleted soon. So that's how you can simply delete all posts from Facebook page at once. I hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.